Hey everyone, what's up? It's Kahoob here. In today's video, I want to talk about Foldapp. It's a way to earn free Bitcoin. It's a Bitcoin only company, and it's pretty cool. They allow you to withdraw your Bitcoin as well when you earn it in cashback. And there's many cool ways to earn cashback using Foldapp. There's a spin wheel that gives you like different rewards depending on what you land on, and there's chances of landing on different reward amounts, such as landing on 1% cashback, 2%, or one full Bitcoin, depending on the debit card that you have with them. You can also get things like 5% back on Amazon gift cards. So you can get quite a bit of cash back paid in Bitcoin. And I think it's free withdrawals as well from the app. So it's pretty cool. So I'm just going to go over some things with Foldapp. I will have a referral link down in the description. And if you use my referral, you will get 20,000 Satoshis, and I will get 10,000 Satoshis for the referral. And I will also get 1 to 50 Satoshis randomly every time you make a qualifying purchase from your Fold card. So the referral link will be down in the description. I just want to go over some things about the Fold app. So, depending on the debit card you have, it'll change your rewards. If we go on to here on the post-purchase spin wheel, we can see what rewards you can get. And it will depend if you're a spin card holder or a spin plus card holder. And you can get something like as low as 1,000 Satoshis for your purchase. Like even if you spent like $100, you might only get like 1,000 Satoshis, which might be only like a few pennies or something. Or you can only get like 0.50% cash back on your purchase, which is barely anything, and you have 11.5% chance of getting that. And obviously 0.5% spending bonus is barely anything when you can get like 2% back on a credit card. So you may be wondering, well, why would I use this card? Well, for one, it's paid in Bitcoin. And for two, the spin wheel, you can accumulate more like respins, like extra spins, and you can respin the spin wheel on your purchase. So if you got like, let's say you spent like $100 or $200 on something like groceries or whatever, and you got like 0.50% cash back, obviously you will want to respin on that. So as long as you found ways to get more spins, then you can use those within 24 hours on that purchase to respin. I think the 24-hour limit thing, I don't know if that's overall for any debit card or if it's still only Spin Plus. At one point, it was Spin Plus only was allowed to respin on a purchase within 24 hours, while the Spin card was like 1 hour. But maybe now it's just 24 hours for both cards. Anyways, I'm going to go over some things. I'm going to be basing off the rewards off what are the chances of you getting 2% or higher. Because if you have the Spin Plus card, you can also get one whole Bitcoin, which is pretty cool. The chances are very, very low. It's a 0.00001 of getting a 1 Bitcoin. And you have to have the Spin Plus card as well. But let's just go into some details. So I wrote down all the rewards and the chances of winning them, and I just mainly used the spending bonuses, the percent, like basically the cashback percentage ones, and also obviously 100% spending bonus, as well as I even added the $5 or $50 bonus too, and of course the 1 million Satoshis or 1 Bitcoin bonus, which that means you have an 11.635% chance to get above 2% cashback. So that's very low. You literally have less than 12% chance of getting above 2% cash back on your purchase. So if you have the Fold Plus card or the Spin Plus card, it does allow you to do a flat rate reward, which will be 1% cash back, which obviously is not as good as 2%, but at least you know you won't get less than 1%. Now, you may say, well, this card sucks then if that's my chances. Well, one thing I want to tell you is the spin wheel, it changes out, I think, every month. And the rewards are pretty consistent, though. They're usually around the same. But one reason you may like this card is because it will pay your rewards out in Bitcoin. And like if we look at the Bitcoin price right now, let me pull that up. It's at 16,588. So if we open up a calculator and do some math, let's say that you purchased, let's do $100 you spent on groceries. And as I said, you have only like a 12% chance of getting above 2%. Most likely, let's say you just go with the flat rate of 1%, right? So 100 times 1% cash back. You'll get $1 in cash back compared to your counterpart if you're just a general credit card that you'd get $2. So yeah, even though on like something like credit card, like the SoFi credit card, for me, I get 2% cash back on all purchases and I can get it paid in Bitcoin, but I can't withdraw it. But for the Fold debit card, if you get the Spin Plus and you do 1% cash back, you can withdraw it. Not only that, but Bitcoin itself could appreciate in value. So as I just showed the price of Bitcoin, if we do $100 times 1%, that's $1, right? Now, if we do, let's say Bitcoin goes back up to its like all-time high. Let's just do like 69,000. It might have been 68,000, but let's just do that. Divide it by its current price, 16,588, and then I think times it by 1. Yeah. So that means your money will become worth, your $1 in Bitcoin will now be $4. So even though you got a flat rate of 1% cash back, keep in mind that when Bitcoin goes back to its all-time high, your $1 in cash back will then be $4.15, which then, if you do $100 times 4%, that's $4. So basically, even though you got 1% flat rate cash back in Bitcoin, once Bitcoin goes back up to its all-time high, as long as you believe it will, then you actually got 4% back on your card spend, which for my SoFi is only 2% back. Obviously, though, with my SoFi, I can get my rewards paid in Bitcoin. Therefore, my rewards would actually end up being higher than Fold's. But, of course, not your keys, not your coins. And it's just a lot safer if you're able to withdraw the crypto onto your own wallet compared to on SoFi. It's just you can only buy and sell and can't do anything with it. So there's that downside with the SoFi card. And not only that, but we know the BlockFi credit card and the Gemini credit card are not going so well with those companies, and those are probably just going to be not working anymore. At least my BlockFi credit card is not working anymore. I'm sure that's going to happen with the Gemini too. Therefore, there's really only going to be one ultimate Bitcoin rewards debit card. And Fold's also coming out with the credit card pretty soon too, so I definitely plan on getting that. So that's just pretty interesting. And yeah, I'm going to end the video here because I have to get going. But I plan on making more and more videos about Foldapp and their debit card and just kind of how it works and what it is and everything. So yeah, I will see you all at my next video.